it in their hand. We're going to move from doing it in your hand to doing it with your hand. And our next example comes from one of our newest members, a company called Needemand, and we're going to hear from their Chief Business Officer, Michel Polit. Over to you, Jean-Michel. I'll have to start your videos and move your slides, so let me know when you want that.
All right, thank you very much. Yes, I'm over in France. This has been a great presentation. A lot of exciting technology, a lot of different technologies. So I need to grab your attention because you may want to take a breather. So what if I told you that as was just mentioned, we can do age assurance by looking at the movement of your hands. Not quite a geometry, but the movement of your hands. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to tell you. And it's not magic, it's physics, or it's really physiology. There's been medical research that has linked movements of your hand to your age in a very accurate way. So we've developed AI models with machine learning that leverage the age-specific feature or certain hand movements, basically. And all users have to do, as you'll see in a demo, is do a few hand movements, and their age is verified, or there's age assurance there. And the models basically determines if somebody's over or under a certain age or within a certain age bracket. Next, please. So, I forgot to say next, but this is really what I was going through. So go ahead. I went through this already. So the key benefits. The next, yeah. Oh, this is The first benefit. If you could go back, please, is obviously that there's no personal data in any way, shape, or form that is required. None, zero. Not even metadata. So people ask us about fingerprints. No fingerprints can be captured or detected because we use video, not pictures taken with a PC or the smartphone. Face. As soon as the model determines that there is a facial feature, it stops the webcam and asks the user to move their face away, as you'll see in the demo as well, from the camera. So first key benefit is absolutely no personal data. The second is accuracy. So 99% as validated by the ACCS. Basically, we've done what needs to be done when training an AI model and testing an AI model, separating the testing data sets from the training data sets, using thousands of individuals from different age groups, gender, obviously ethnic groups, and the data sample captured in real life environment with different sets and of technology, smartphone, computer cameras from different eras. So great accuracy. Next, please. And it's been highlighted. Getting age verified cannot be cumbersome, and it's definitely not. And you'll see in the demo that it takes only a few seconds. Reliability, you cannot fake physics or medicine, or medical research has proven that these age-specific features are true universally, and you cannot fake them. Of course, if somebody would record the movements of somebody else's hand, we would pick that the fact that it's not a real hand; it's a recording or picture on the camera. Hand mannequins, gloves also are detected and rejected by our AI. So I could speak for hours about the technology. I'm very excited about it. But the best thing I must do now is shut up and let you see how it works. So if you can press the play. So the camera is activated. First movement. Then there's a series of hand positions that are asked of the user. And at one point, it's me on the camera, and I'm going to show my face, and you'll see that as the AI recognizes that a face starts being shown before it's shown entirely. It's going to happen pretty soon now. Here you go. Up. No, please remove away your face from the camera, and we're done. And I'm definitely over 18, unfortunately. And that's about it.
Thank you. I have to say, I was quite. Thank you. I was quite skeptical when I first saw that, which only came across our desks just a few months ago. And but Tony, who runs a testing lab in Manchester, England, has put it through its paces and confirmed that the claims are accurate, which is what he does for everybody, all their methods, so that we can be reassured that the sort of things we're presenting on a occasion like this do stand up to third-party scrutiny. They're not just the brave claims of a salesperson, because nobody would ever try that, would they?